Alright, 2007 Chevy Suburban. We're going to replace the passenger headlight bulb, in my opinion, the easy way. A lot of videos you watch, they tear all kinds of stuff apart, but easiest way I think to do it is just pop the air box out real quick, and you get easy access to everything you need. I've seen videos where people are pulling fender liners, the headlight bulb itself out, taking bolts out and trying to pry their hand down in there. You know, everybody's welcome to their own opinion, but in my opinion, this is the easy way. I'm using a T25 Torx bit here, by the way. Good time to check your air filter while you're in here. If you're not sure what kind of shape it's in. And then just pop up on this box. This whole thing lifts out. Gives you easy access to the back of the headlight. I think there's usually a plug right there. Mine doesn't have it. So you can see why my headlight's not working. It's because I just purchased it and the plug's not even hooked up. So anyways, you would just pull back on this little tab here, pop the connector off, twist the bulb counterclockwise, and there it is. Remove it. So I'm gonna put this bulb back in. Turn it clockwise to make sure that we feel it clip into place here. Push the connector back on. You can see now my headlight is working. Gonna drop this box back into place. Make sure that we get it lined back up with the hole, and then should click down into place, which it did. Put the filter back into place. Put the cover back on. Put these screws back in the hole. Get them started. Like I said, everybody has their preferences, but this is the way that I think is the easy way on a 2007 Chevy Suburban. third screw here. And then on to the last one. That's it, all done.